In this very quick video guide, we're going to see Gumroad, which is a website where you can get 3D models, but also other type of assets, and you can use it in any 3D software or any other software that is available in the market. So you can be a seller or you can be a buyer, meaning that you can buy and sell in Gumroad. So you can use it for many purposes, and you have all the information right here with nice infographics that will explain everything to you. So what we're going to do here is just a quick example of how you can search and find and download free stuff from Gumroad, and we're going to download like 3D model in the specific. So you go to Discover section, and here you have the design section where you can find a lot of types of design like architecture and branding, fashion design, and print and packaging, and much more. So in our case, we're going to go to 3D, and you'll find here like characters and other stuff concerning 3D software. And we're going to use Blender because it's free, open source. You can download it right away and use it to complete this example. So we're going to go in 3D section here. And again, you have many categories. You have character design, but also animation and others. So we're going to go to character design for this. And also we have some featured products up here. And some are like add-ons that you can put in Blender and other 3D software, as I said. And down here on the market, we find some filters. So if you want to use only Blender, we can check the filter here in Blender, and we can also filter by 3D models and character design. And here you have also free models, free download, etc., etc. Now remember that the more filters you put, the less stuff you're gonna see appearing on the right side. So you can also filter by format. I can put like Blender here, and then the price. So if you want free stuff, you may want to put here 0 in the maximum price, and you will find the results. Now be careful because sometimes there is a button that says load more at the bottom, so you can load more assets. So I removed some filters here, just applied Blender and 0 price. Just to make an example, I'm gonna get a 3D model, and here you also have like some ZBrush alpha, for example, that you can use. These are alphas that you can use also in Blender. So sometimes these models are like cross platforms. I'm going to use this Batman model. I'm going to put 0 as the price. Of course, you can donate to the author, and also you can add a tip if you want. But just for the sake of the explanation here, we will go directly to download and see the model. You can see this author also publishes other models there for sale. So let's click on Get and click on Download. Remember, you need to have an account. Well, actually, you just need to have an email to download stuff from the cart. And once it's downloaded, you will see the file in your download folder. And that's it. So it's really easy. Just click on Get, click on Download, save it in your computer, right click to the file and extract, because this is going to be a zip folder. And there you go. So you have a lot of different types of 3D formats, and you have folders for textures to recreate the material. So in Blender, we could use OBJ and also FBX, but those are really popular formats that you can use in 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, etc., etc. So we go into Blender, go to File, Import, select OBJ first. Let's go with the OBJ, and there it is. So import. And if you don't see anything, it could be too small or too big. So let's delete the cube here in Blender. And I'm gonna select the 3D model. You can see it's in there. And to find them, I'm gonna go to View and go to Frame Selected. So there you go. We can find it right away. And it doesn't seem to have materials, only colors applied, but we can go here in the render mode, which is the fourth sphere, and we can see, yeah, if it's purple, it means that it's losing some texture somewhere. Now here in the scene world, I'm gonna deactivate that so I can illuminate with this default environment. And you can see here, if I go in the materials panel on the right, there is some missing material here. So I need to click on the base color, click on the yellow dot, search for the image texture, open the folder where I think those textures are stored and just recreate the material. Now, I'm not going to explain here how to do the material because it's kind of long. So you can see other video guides in the channel or video courses dedicated to Blender, dedicated to creating materials with textures in Blender and much, much more. So just search in the channel, you'll find anything you need. But just here, I'm just going to apply here a couple of image texture from the folder that I downloaded, and you will see that things will get better when you start to apply textures. The more texture you apply, the more effects you apply to the material, the more it's going to be um, realistic. Okay, let's do a second import. So file import, and now I'm going to go with FBX, which is another option here. So I will import it, and now it's bigger, so you can see that it kind of looks better and works better, I think. So you have lights also here, you have materials, you have the entire scene. So that's definitely better. And that's it. So this is a quick demonstration on how you can use Gumroad. Now, if you're interested in know more, subscribe to your channel to stay updated and join the channel if you want to support us and thank us. And check out other video courses and video guides in Blender, and especially the 3D character video course if you're interested in this topic. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.